Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about circles, important questions, 7 marks type questions. First question, find the equation of the circle passing through P equal to 1 comma 1, Q equal to 2 comma minus 1, R equal to 3 comma 2. Here the given points P equal to 1 comma 1, Q equal to 2 comma minus 1, R equal to 3 comma 2. To find the equation of circle passing through these 3 points, first let P and Q are the two diameter end points. If PQ two diameter end points to form one circle. If PQ diameter end points, this is the circle S equal to 0. And to find the equation of line PQ, the line PQ, the circle S intersect at P and Q, then equation of circle passing through PQ, is S plus lambda L equal to 0. This is L equal to 0. In this circle, R point is also there. To apply the R point in S plus lambda L equal to 0, to find lambda, again substitute lambda in S plus lambda L equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle passing through PQR. The given points P is equal to 1 comma 1, Q equal to 2 comma minus 1, R equal to 3 comma 2. Let P is equal to 1 comma 1 and Q is equal to 2 comma minus 1 are the diameter end points. Then equation of circle is this is x1 y1 first coordinate, second coordinate x2 y2. Formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. To apply the values, here x1 is 1, x minus 1, x2 is 2, x minus 2 plus y minus y1, y1 is 1, y minus 1, y2 is minus 1, minus plus, y plus 1 equal to 0. Multiply x minus 1 into x minus 2, x into x square, x into minus 2, minus 2x, minus 1 into x, minus x, minus plus 2. Next multiply with here y minus 1 into y plus 1, a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. This is y square minus 1 equal to 0. First x square minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 2 y square minus 1 equal to 0. First note down x square plus y square minus 3x 2 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. This is the circle. X square plus y square minus 3x plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Let S is let s is identically equal to x square plus y square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Next, find the equation of line PQ. Equation of line PQ. Next, to find the equation of line PQ. Formula x minus x1 by x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. Here to apply the values, p coordinate 1 comma 1 x1 comma y1, q coordinates 2 comma minus 1 x2 comma y2. Apply the values. x1 1, x minus 1, x1 1, x2 2. Here 1, here 2. 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. x1 value is 1, x2 value is 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1 equal to y minus y1. y1 value is 1, 1, y1 minus y2. y1 is 1, y2 value minus 1, minus minus plus, 1 plus 1 2. Cross multiply, x minus 1 multiply with 2, y minus 1 multiply with minus 1. 2x minus 2 equal to minus 1 into y, minus y, minus minus plus 1 into 1, 1. 2x minus y becomes plus y minus 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1. 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the line L. Let L is identically equal to 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. S equal to 0. This is the circle. S equal to 0. The PQ L equal to 0. S equal to 0 is intersect L equal to 0 at P and Q. Then equation of circle. Passing through PQ is S plus lambda L equal to 0. S plus lambda L equal to 0. S value x square plus y square minus 3x plus 1 plus lambda into L value 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. It passes through this equation. This is equation 1. R equal to 3 comma 2. R equal to 3 comma 2 lies on equation 1. R equal to 3 comma 2. Substitute 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 3 into 3, 9 plus 1 plus lambda into 2, 3, 6, 2 into 3. In x substitute 3, 2 into 3, 6 plus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. 9 plus 4 plus 9 minus 9 get cancelled. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 lambda equal to minus 5. Lambda equal to minus 1. Lambda equal to minus 1. If lambda equal to minus 1, lambda equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Lambda equal to minus 1 in equation 1. equation one circle x square plus y square minus 3x plus 1. In lambda substitute minus 1. In lambda substitute minus 1 into 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 3x plus 1 multiply with minus 1 minus 2x minus 1 into y minus minus plus 3. X square plus y square minus 3x minus 2x minus 5x minus y 3 plus 1 4. This is the answer. X square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. These are the practice questions. Find the equation of circle passing through each of the following 3 points. First question 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. The answer is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. Second question 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6. The answer is x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equal to 0. Third question 2, 1, 5, 5 minus 6, 7. Answer x square plus y square plus x minus 12y plus 5 equal to 0. Fourth one 5, 7, 8, 1, 1, 3. The answer 3 into x square plus y square minus 29x minus 19y plus 56 equal to 0. Question number 2. Show that 1, 1 minus 6, 0 minus 2, 2 minus 2, minus 8 are concyclic and find the equation of the circle on which they lie. Here first one solution. Let A is equal to 1, 1, B equal to minus 6, 0, C equal to minus 2, 2, D equal to minus 2, minus 8. First find the equation of circle passing through A, B and C. To find the equation of circle passing through A, B and C. Let capital A is equal to 1, 1, x1, y1 and B equal to minus 6, 0 are the diameter end points. Then equation of circle is capital A 1, 1 x1 y1, capital B minus 6, 0 x2 y2. The formula x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 equal to 0. Apply the values. x1 1, x minus 1, x2 minus 6, x2 value minus 6, here symbol minus is there, minus plus, x plus 6, y1 value is 1, y minus 1, y2 value 0, y minus 0, y minus 0, y. Multiply x minus 1 into x plus 6. X into x, x square, x into 6, 6x, minus 1 into x, minus x, minus 1 into plus 6, minus 6, y into y square, y into minus 1, minus y equal to 0. In circle first, x square plus y square, 6x plus 6x minus x plus 5x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. Let s is identically equal to x square plus y square plus 5x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. Next, to find the equation of line AB. Equation of line AB. To find the equation of line AB, formula x minus x1 by x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. Apply the values. This is the formula. Equation of line AB, x minus x1 by x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. x1 value is 1. Substitute x minus 1, x1 value is 1, x1 minus x2, x1 1. To apply the x1 place in 1, x2 minus 6. Here minus minus plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. It apply the direct. Next, y minus y1. y1 value is 1. y minus 1. y1 minus y2. y1 value is 1. y2 value is 0. 1 minus 0. 1. y1 value is 1. y2 value is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Cross multiply. 1 multiply with x minus 1. x minus 1. 7 multiply with y minus 1. 7y minus 7. 7 into y minus 1. 7y minus 7. X plus 7y becomes minus 7y. Plus 7y becomes minus 7y. Minus 1. Minus 7 becomes plus 1. Minus 1 plus 7. X minus 7y. 7 minus 1, 6. Let L is identically equal to x minus 7y plus 6 equal to 0. X minus 7y plus 6 equal to 0. If x equal to 0, if s equal to 0, intersect L equal to 0 at A and B, then equation of circle passing through A and B is s plus lambda L equal to 0. S value. This is s. X square plus y square plus 5x minus y minus 6. X square plus y square plus 5x minus y minus 6 plus lambda into x minus 7y plus 6 equal to 0. This is equation 1. S plus lambda L, the C point lies on the S plus lambda L equal to 0. C equal to minus 2 comma 2 lies on equation 1. C equal to minus 2 comma 2. In x substitute minus 2, in y substitute 2. Minus 2 whole square 4. 2 square 4. In x substitute minus 2. 5 into minus 2 minus 10. Y value 2. 2 minus 6 plus lambda into, in x substitute minus 2. Y value 2. 7 to 14. 7 into 2 14 plus 6 equal to 0. 4 plus 4 8. Minus 12 minus 6 minus 18. Minus 18 plus 8 minus 10. Here minus 2 minus 14 minus 16. Minus 16 plus 6 minus 10. Minus 10 lambda is equal to 10. 10 10 get cancelled. Lambda equal to minus 1. Lambda equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Lambda equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Equation 1. X square plus y square plus 5x minus y minus 6. In lambda replace minus 1. Minus 1 into x minus 7y plus 6 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 5x minus y minus 6 multiply with minus 1 minus x minus minus plus 7y minus 1 into x minus minus plus 7y minus 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 6. X square plus y square 5x minus x 4x. 5x minus x 4x. 7y minus y 6y. Minus 6 minus 6 minus 12. This is the required equation of circle. Required equation of circle. Required equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. To check capital D equal to minus 2 comma minus 8 lies on circle. The circle equation x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12. Here to check minus 2 apply in x, minus 8 apply in y. Minus 2 whole square 4, minus 8 whole square 64, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 6 into minus 8 minus 48 minus 12. 64 plus 4 68. Minus 8 minus 48 minus 56 minus 12 minus 68 0. Therefore D lies on the circle. Given points are concyclic. Given points are concyclic and required equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Practice questions. Show that the following 4 points in each of the following are concyclic and find the equation of the circle on which they lie. First question 1 comma 2, 3 comma minus 4, 5 comma minus 6, 19 comma 8. Answer x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equal to 0. Second one 1 comma minus 6, 5 comma 2, 7 comma 0, minus 1 comma minus 4. Answer x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. Third one 9 comma 1, 7 comma 9, minus 2 comma 12, 6 comma 10. Answer x square plus y square minus 6y minus 76 equal to 0. If 2 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 4 comma 5 and 0 comma c are concyclic, and then find c. Let a equal to 2 comma 0, b equal to 0 comma 1, c equal to 4 comma 5, d equal to 0 comma c. First, to find the equation of circle passing through A, B and C. To find the equation of circle passing through A, B and C. Let a equal to 2 comma 0, x1 comma y1 and b equal to 0 comma 1, x2 comma y2 are the diameter endpoints. Then equation of circle is the formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is the formula, equation of circle. Next, apply the values. x1 value is 2, x minus 2, x2 value is 0, x minus 0, x, y minus, y1 is 0, y minus 0, y minus y2 value 1, multiply with x into x square minus 2x, y into y square minus y equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus y equal to 0. This is the circle equation. Let s is identically equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus y equal to 0. Next, to find the equation of line AB. Equation of line AB. Equation of line AB. X minus x1 by x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Apply the values. X minus x1 by x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. Here to apply the values. X minus x1 value is 2, x1 minus x2, x1 is 2, x2 is 0, 2 minus 0, 2 is equal to y minus y1, y1 value 0, y minus 0 y minus 0 y1 minus y2, 0 minus 1, here minus 1, minus 1 multiply with x minus 2. Minus 1 into x minus x minus 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 plus 1 into 2 2 equal to 2y. 2y minus x becomes plus x plus 2y plus 2 becomes minus 2. X plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. Line let L is identical equal to x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. X plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. If x equal to 0, intersect L equal to 0 at A and B, then equation of circle passing through then equation of circle passing through A and B is, then equation of circle passing through A and B is s plus lambda L equal to 0. S plus lambda L equal to 0. The s value is x square plus y square, s value minus 2x minus y plus lambda into L value x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. This is equation 1. In this equation, the point C is equal to 4, 5 lies on equation 1. In x substitute 4, in y substitute 5. 4 square 16, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 2 into 4 8 minus 5 plus lambda into, in x substitute 4, in y 2 into 5 10 minus 2 equal to 0. 16 plus 25 41 minus 13 plus 4 plus 10 14, 14 minus 2 12 lambda. 41 minus 13, 11 minus 3 8, 28, 41 minus 13 28, 28 plus 12 lambda equal to 0. 12 lambda equal to minus 28. Here cancelled. 4 7s 4 3. Lambda equal to minus 7 by 3. Lambda equal to minus 7 by 3 in equation 1. Lambda equal to minus 7 by 3. X square plus y square minus 2x minus y, lambda value minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3, x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. Lambda minus 7 by 3. 3 is the LCM. 3x square plus 3y square, 3 to 6x minus 3y minus 7x minus 14y minus plus 14 equal to 0. Here the simplification, 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x minus 7x minus 13x minus 3y minus 14y minus 17y plus 14 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 equal to 0. Required equation of circle is 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 equal to 0. In this question, the given points are concyclic. Given points are concyclic. D equal to 0 comma c lies on circle. In x substitute 0, in y substitute c. Here 0 square 0, 3 into 0 0. In c, y place in c 3c square, this value also becomes 0. Minus 17c plus 14 equal to 0. Factors 3c square minus 3c minus 14c plus 14 equal to 0. 3c is common, c minus 1. Here minus 14 is common, c minus 1. C minus 1 common, 3c minus 14 equal to 0. C minus 1 equal to 0, c is equal to 1. 3c minus 14 equal to 0, c equal to 14 by 3. Here the d equal to 0 comma c, d equal to, if c value is 1, 0 comma 1. This point already lies on the circle 0 comma 1. Next, if d equal to 0 comma c value 14 by 3, 0 comma 14 by 3. Therefore, the correct c value is 14 by 3. The correct c value is 14 by 3. Question number 4. Find the equation of the circle whose center lies on x-axis and passing through minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. Solution. Here in this question, the equation of circle center lies on x-axis. Let the equation of circle whose center lies on x-axis is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0. This is equation 1. First point, minus 2 comma 3. Let a equal to minus 2 comma 3, b equal to 4 comma 5. These 2 points lies on the circle. Capital A minus 2 comma 3 lies on the circle. In x substitute minus 2, in y substitute 3. Minus 2 whole square 4, 3 square 9. In x substitute minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4g plus c equal to 0. Minus 4g plus c. 4 plus 9, 13. Plus 13 becomes minus 13. This is equation 2. Next, b equal to 4 comma 5. B equal to 4 comma 5 lies on equation 1. B equal to 4 comma 5 lies on equation 1. In x substitute 4 square 16. In y substitute 5 square 25. In x 4 into 2 8g plus c. 16 plus 25 41. 16 plus 25 41. 41 becomes minus 41. 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. This is equation 3. Solving 2 and 3, we get g and c. Solving 2 and 3 solving. Minus 4g plus c equal to minus 13. Minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. Subtract, the signs changed. Plus c minus c becomes cancelled. Minus 4g minus 8g minus 12g. Here plus 41 minus 13. 41 minus 13. 11 minus 3, 8. In 3, 28. 41 minus 13 equal to 28. G equal to minus 28 by 12. Cancelled. 4 sevens, 4 3. G equal to minus 7 by 3. G value minus 7 by 3 in equation 2. In equation 2. Equation 2 is minus 4g plus c. Minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. The g value is minus 7 by 3. Minus 4 into minus 7 by 3 plus c equal to minus 13. Minus minus plus 7 fours 28. 28 by 3 plus c equal to minus 13. C equal to minus 13 minus 28 by 3. Minus 28 by 3. 13 3s 39. Minus 39 minus 28 by 3. Minus 39 minus 28 minus 67 by 3. C value is minus 67 by 3. Substitute G is equal to minus 7 by 3. G value. C minus 67 by 3 in equation 1. In equation 1. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square 2 into, in g substitute minus 7 by 3x, in c substitute minus 67 by 3. 3 the LCM, 3x square plus 3y square plus into minus 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 14x minus 67 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. Required equation of circle is 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x minus 67 equal to 0. In circles, 7 marks questions, so many questions are there. In this video, discuss about circle passing through 3 points, concyclic points, and the circle center lies on x-axis. Next video also discuss about circles, 7 marks questions. Okay students, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.